Does the alignment of stars and planets sharpen your mind? Or is it all in your head? Let's decode the science in 60 seconds. Many claim cosmic alignments, like planetary conjunctions or solstices, boost cognition, creativity, or decision-making. This stems from ancient astrology, where sky patterns were seen as direct influencers on human behavior. But here's the problem. No causal link exists between celestial positions and brain function. Confirmation bias amplifies rare coincidences, like feeling inspired during a full moon, into perceived patterns. True science demands repeatable evidence, which studies consistently lack. Cosmic alignments are geometric projections from Earth, planets lining up in our sky view, not physically interacting. Gravity from distant planets is negligible compared to Earth's own moon, which subtly affects tides but shows no cognitive impact in meta-analyses of lunar cycle studies. Brain cognition relies on neurochemistry, dopamine for focus, serotonin for mood, modulated by sleep, diet, and light exposure, not orbital mechanics. Engineering parallel, like GPS satellites aligning for signal triangulation, cosmic alignments are optical illusions enabling precise astronomical measurements, not mind control. Architecturally, ancient observatories used these for calendars, aligning stones to track seasons via Earth's 23.5-degree tilt, driving predictable agriculture cycles that indirectly supported societal cognition through stable food. History reveals engineering feats mistook for mysticism. Stonehenge's heel stone aligns with summer solstice morning, engineered with megalithic precision, error less than 0.5 degrees, to predict equinoxes, aiding Neolithic farmers' planning, enhancing group cognition via reliable harvests. Egypt's pyramids oriented to cardinal points using stellar alignments like Orion's belt, with shafts targeting specific stars for ventilation and ritual timing, per laser scans showing 0.05-degree accuracy. Mayan observatories like El Caracol tracked Venus cycles with core-belled arches, predicting eclipses to one-day accuracy over centuries. These structures applied basic geometry and precession knowledge, Earth's 26,000-year wobble. While human cognition lacks direct cosmic ties, plants respond to celestial cues via phototropism and photoperiodism. Example: sunflowers align with the sun through auxin gradients, mimicking heliotropism engineering. Lunar gravity influences sap flow minimally, but full moons correlate with coral spawning via tidal entrainment, not alignment per se. No evidence links this to human brains. Instead, human-engineered greenhouses replicate solstice light cycles for optimized growth, boosting yields 15 to 20% through controlled spectra, pure biology, and optics, scalable to cognition via light therapy. These weren't supernatural. Ancient builders used empirical observation. Hubble's alignment calibrations yield data linking cosmic events to evolutionary pressures, like meteor impacts spurring human brain growth via environmental stress, not direct alignment effects. Modern engineering echoes this. Precise orbital mechanics in satellite constellations enable global data networks, fostering collective human intelligence. Today, we engineer alignments for cognition. Circadian lighting mimics solstice shifts to optimize alertness, backed by chronobiology trials showing 20% focus gains. Space agencies align missions during launch windows. Example: Homan transfers minimizing fuel via planetary gravity assists, indirectly boosting human innovation through data influx. Apps track personal biorhythms against lunar phases, but placebo-controlled studies attribute benefits to routine, not cosmos. Compared to neural implants like Neuralink, aligning electrodes with brain waves for precise cognition enhancement, pure engineering, no stars required. Cosmic alignments shaped history through human ingenuity, not mind magic. Same for plant responses via engineered light logic. Harness real science for your edge. Like, subscribe, and comment. What's your best focus hack? Next, engineering myths debunked. See you in the stars or the lab.